Alright you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the call asset, formerly call extension, inside of Google Ads. So you're going to go to assets inside of your campaign and you're going to go to call and then you're going to hit the add button. And as you can see, we already have one for one of our local business clients. So what I'm going to do is hit the edit button to show you what it looks like. So in the middle here you can kind of see what it would look like in an ad on their mobile device. So you can see that there's a call button basically. So it's super easy for people to call our client, or if you're a local business, it's super easy for them to call you if you're setting up your own ads. Also in desktop, this is what it looks like. The phone number is just right there. Now you can use any phone number you want, but the most important thing is to make sure you're tracking it correctly. Now in a second, I'm going to show you how we buy our phone numbers with HighLevel, and in order to record phone calls and track how many phone calls we're getting from our ads, I'll show you how to do that in a second. But first, what you want to do is to make sure you have your conversion action set up. So usually it'll just have call from ads by default. However, we want to make sure we're counting how many people are coming from this exact extension or asset. So what you want to do is go to conversion actions. You can find this in tools and settings under measurement where it says conversions. All you're going to do is hit new conversion action. Now from here, you're going to do phone calls, and then you're going to do call from ads using call extension or call only ads. You're going to hit continue. You're going to call this click. So we call this click to call extension phone numbers. You can add a value if you would like. Some clients of ours do not know the value of each phone call. If you as a business owner know what the value of a phone call is, you can use it. But for now, we're just going to hit not recommended. We're going to use 1 for phone calls. And then for the call length, essentially what this means is that however many seconds you put here is what is going to count as a conversion. So if a phone call lasts 5 seconds, it's not going to count it. We usually like to put 30 seconds here, and then we're going to do attribution as last click, and then we're going to hit create and continue. Now when you're in here, you can go refresh this page on your asset, and then you can and then from here you can choose that conversion action. And then once calls start coming in with this phone number, you'll see it within your Google Ads dashboard. Let me show you what that looks like. And so when phone calls start coming in, you'll see it as click to call conversions or whatever name you put, and then it'll tell you how many conversions came in from that specific call asset. So it's pretty cool. You can kind of differentiate where conversions are coming from for your Google Ads campaign. And so once you guys have this all set up, what next step that you can do and what we do for our clients is having tracking numbers for this. And so usually a local business will just put their office phone number here, which is fine, that works. However, if you have a sales team or a receptionist, or you're trying to train people and you want to kind of give them feedback, what's really important is call recordings. Now what we use for this is called HighLevel. So as you can see, we're inside of one of our clients' accounts, and we have this section called call reporting. So I can kind of see, okay, there have been 8 calls. We've missed 62% of them. First time phone calls are 4, where they're coming from, and then the recordings themselves. And if I'm training my staff or something like that, I want to give them feedback, I can go ahead and listen to the recording here. I can tell them what's going on, you know, hey, like I want you to say this instead, or something like that. Or you just want to know what you're sounding like. Maybe you want to give your feedback to yourself. So what you can do here is buy phone numbers inside of HighLevel, which is what we use for our clients. So you can go to settings, then phone numbers, and then under phone numbers you can hit add a number. So you would just put an area code like 916, for example. I can hit search, and then I can buy a phone number here for a monthly fee of $1.15, right? And so I already did this here for our client, and as you can see, it forwards to their actual phone number, and this is the tracking number. So we would put this tracking number inside of here instead of what our actual local business phone number is. And then what's also cool is that we can put a whisper message. So every time, let's say a receptionist gets a phone call from our ads, it would say call from Google Ads or call from whatever you want it to say. And then the person that's calling your business or our clients, it will say this call will be recorded for quality assurance. I'm sure you've heard that on a phone call before. And then you would hit update. So that's pretty cool. That's what we do for our clients to kind of make their experience better. So definitely check that out. If you guys are interested inside of Go HighLevel, there's a free trial link down in the description below. But again, to set up call extensions, it's really, really simple. You want to make sure you have your phone number here. More advanced options, you can have this only show up at certain times of the day. For example, if you are not a 24/7 company and you want to only show your phone number to be called at like 9 to 5, you can do that here as well and add a schedule. And then make sure again to have the conversion action set up so you can track conversions correctly. So I hope this video has helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.